Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Coding Safari, and today I have an exciting programming tutorial for you. We will be diving into the world of C programming with the classic Hello World program. It is the perfect starting point for beginners, so let's get started. Alright, let's jump right into our writing our Hello World program in C. I will be using Visual Studio Code. First, we need to include the studio.h header file which provides the necessary functions for input and output operations. This allows us to use the printf function to display our message on the screen. Next, we will define our main function, which serves as the entry point of our program. Inside the main function, we will write the code to display our message. Now, let's use the printf function to print the famous hello world message. And don't forget the /n at the end, which adds a new line after our message. Lastly, we return 0 to indicate that our program has executed successfully. Great, now let's run the program and see the hello world message in action. And there it is, our hello world program has successfully printed the message on the screen. You can see that the program prints hello world on the console or command line. This simple program may not seem like much, but is fundamental step in learning any programming language. I hope you found this video helpful in getting started with programming. Stay tuned for more exciting programming tutorials on this channel. We will explore various concepts and languages. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.